couldn't bring Doggy Go. He gets frightened of loud noises. So where is he? He's at home with a bowl of his favorite... Oh no! What is it, Maya? I forgot to give Doggy Go his food before we left.
We can't leave him without food. I'll go back to him.
Oh, poor Doggy Go will be so hungry. Let me come too.
If you take a shortcut through the park, that should save you some time.
Okay, Mama. Let's go, Dada. Will we get back before the Funfair closes, Dada?
I don't know, Maya. Hopefully. Lift to the top floor, miss.
This is just like the planes, Dada.
Hold on tight, Maya. This plane is taking off.
Back in the Funfair, Sammy Go, Sophie Play and Danny Play are playing in the Hall of Mirrors.
Danny, Sammy, where are you? Oh!
Sammy likes his funny reflection.
There you are. You're not Sammy Go.
That's just Sammy's reflection, Sophie. Back in the park, Maya is hiding too.
Where is Maya? Just where can she be? I see her. Oh, it's a nest. I thought it was you, Maya. There you are.
Meanwhile, back at the Funfair, Sophie Play is trying to win a prize.
Okay, Sophie, so what you need to do is throw the hoop onto the hook like this.
Good luck, Sophie. You've done it.
Yay! I got it! I got it!
Well done, Sophie Play. Let's see what you've won.
Well done.
Thank you. Maya! Where's Maya?
Maya went home to feed Doggy Go, Sophie.
Oh, I forgot. I wanted to show her the teddy. It's a pity she's missing all the fun. Dada, I'm having so much fun.